Chit Chat English.
Stand up.
To rise from sitting.
Get up.
To rise from bed.
Sit down.
To take a seat.
Pick up.
To lift something.
Put down.
To place something on the ground.
Look for.
To search for something.
Ask for.
To request something.
Help out.
To assist someone.
Clean up.
To make something clean.
Wake up.
To stop sleeping.
Go in.
To enter a place.
Come in.
To enter a place.
Go out.
To leave the house for fun.
Come back.
To return.
Shut up.
To stop talking.
Call back.
To return a phone call.
Pick out.
To choose something.
Turn around.
To change direction.
Stay up.
To stay awake late.
Run away.
To escape.
Hang out.
To spend time with friends.
Put away.
To put things in their proper place.
Take off.
To remove, example, clothes or shoes.
Drop off.
To leave something at a place.
Get out.
To leave a place.
Call off.
To cancel.
Carry on.
To continue.
Get over.
To feel better after something bad.
Hold on.
To wait.
Put off.
To delay or wait to do something.
Put up with.
To tolerate something you don't like.
Watch out.
Be careful.
Pass out.
To lose consciousness.
Come up with.
To think of an idea.
Turn up.
To arrive.
Turn down.
To reject or say no.
Look after.
To take care of.
Look up.
To search for information.
Run into.
To meet by accident.
Run out of.
To have no more of something.
Set up.
To arrange or prepare something.
Break up.
To end a relationship.
Break down.
To stop working, machine or car.
Give up.
To stop trying.
Give in.
To stop resisting.
Go on.
To continue.
Make up.
To fix a problem with someone.
Make out.
To understand something.
Put on.
To wear.
Take care of.
To look after.
Take up.
To start a new hobby.
Tell off.
To scold.
Tell on.
To report someone's bad behavior.
Shut down.
To stop working or close.
Sleep in.
To sleep longer than usual.
Fall down.
To fall to the ground.
Fall out.
To have an argument.
Fill out.
To complete a form.
Hang up.
To end a phone call.
Hurry up.
To do something quickly.
Keep up.
To not fall behind.
Kick out.
To make someone leave.
Lay down.
To put something on the ground.
Lead to.
To cause something to happen.
Look out.
Be careful.
Move in.
To start living in a new place.
Move out.
To leave a place you live.
Open up.
To talk about your feelings.
Pull over.
To stop at the side of the road.
Set off.
To start a trip or journey.
Sign up.
To join something.
Take back.
To return something.
Take over.
To control or lead something.
Throw away.
To get rid of.
Work out.
To exercise or solve a problem.
Clean out.
To remove unwanted things.
Check out.
To look at or leave a place.
Chill out.
To relax.
Drop by.
To visit for a short time.
Eat out.
To eat at a restaurant.
Fall asleep.
To begin sleeping.
Fill up.
To make something full.
Get back.
To return to a place.
Give away.
To give something for free.
Go back.
To return to a previous place.
Jump up.
To rise quickly from sitting.
Keep out.
To stay away from a place.